welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. In case if you are new, hi, I am Dhruvisha. I make beauty videos, vlogs, challenge videos, lifestyle and many more. And if you are interested in any of this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So first of all, very happy new year to you and your loved ones. So today's video I am shooting in this frame in my balcony. This is the place where I come, sit, spend time with my plants. With these are my babies. Meet them. There are like many of them. So they are my babies. Say hi to them. So for today's video, I am going to make my vision board for 2022 with you guys. So मैंने ना एक कोलाज बना दिया था just ऐसे ही. Pinterest से फोटोज लिए थे, इधर उधर से फोटोज ले लिए थे. Sorry डिस्टर्बेंस रहेगा थोड़ा because I am sitting in my balcony. Yeah. So these are my some of the goals I want to achieve in 2022. So I have this thing कि मैं ना कभी भी ऐसे कोई चीज़ें प्रिंट आउट में मेरे सामने देखती हूँ, I just get focused to that thing. So I thought कि this is the best thing I can do for 2022 कि मैं ऐसे अच्छा सा कोलाज बना के विजन बोर्ड बना के मैं अपने स्टडी एरिया पे रखूँ या फिर जहाँ पे मेरी रोज़ नज़र जाती है. So if I am being lazy, I know what to do. If I am wasting my time, I know I want to achieve this thing, so I have to work. So I have this thing in my mind. So let me just dive into this. Let's just make vision board for 2022. प्लीज़ डू कमेंट कि आप लोगों ने ऐसा कोई विजन बोर्ड 2022 के लिए बनाया है या फिर 2020 के लिए बनाया हो, 21 के लिए बनाया हो और उसमें से कितना वर्क हुआ है. आई रियली वांटेड टू नो. सब मुझे से लुक दे रहे कि मैं किससे बातें कर रही हूँ. हाय. सो या लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट. ओके सो जो वो कोलाज था मैंने उसको ना ऐसे कट करके ऐसे जस्ट ऐसे अभी तक ग्लू से चिपकाया नहीं है, जस्ट ऐसे मैं सेट कर रही थी. इज इट लुकिंग नाइस और नॉट. सो नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग नॉट टू प्लान एनीथिंग, जस्ट गो विथ द फ्लो. सो ये कार्डबोर्ड में ना कुछ सेट नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई वाज लाइक कि चलो जैसे भी ऐसे स्टिक हो रहा है वैसे करते रैंडमली. सो लेट्स जस्ट डू दैट. So now I just can't wait to show you what my vision board looks like. सो ये वैसा ही टर्न आउट हुआ है जैसा मैंने इमेजिन किया था. सो हियर यू गो. So this is my vision board for 2022. Let me just explain everything to you. But उसके पहले यहाँ पे ना मैंने थोड़ा सा कलर कर दिया है, ब्लू एक्रेलिक पेंट कर दिया मैंने, बिकॉज ये जो कार्डबोर्ड का कलर था ना वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. फोकस क्यों जा रहा है बार बार. सो कार्डबोर्ड का कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. सो हाउ प्रिटी एंड हाउ एस्थेटिक. सी बच गया. How aesthetic this looks. So now let me just explain you everything. So let me just go through everything so you can know what are the thoughts behind this. So first of all, you see you can, that I can think this, then I can do this. If I can think this, if I can have like vision for 2020-22 to do everything in this year, I can. Means you can. And I literally I am not forcing myself like too much that ये सारी चीज़ें होनी ही चाहिए. I just made this vision board that मेरा ना ऐसा थोड़ा है कि अगर मेरे सामने वो चीज़ पड़ी होगी ना, then I will force myself to do. But अगर इसमें से कुछ चीज़ें होती है then that's the best thing. अगर नहीं होती then I will not keep myself down क्यों नहीं हुआ. बट मेन फोकस वही रहेगा कि हम ये सारी चीज़ें गोल्स साथ में अचीव करें. एज यू कैन सी एट दिस साइड, दिस इज लाइक लिविंग अ हेल्दी लाइफ इन 2021. राइट नाउ आई एम एट द वर्स्ट, like I've gained lot of weight. I am not eating anything healthy. I am eating junk. I am eating anything comes in my mind that I am eating. But I want to change that. I want to live a healthy life. Right now it's like I just don't feel good. I just don't feel confident, and this comes really rare to me that I don't feel confident. But this time it is like that I don't feel confident. I am bit in a low mood always when I just don't want to discuss that thing more. So yes, that's the goal for me, to have a healthy life. I want to exercise every day. I want to eat healthy. I want to just be healthy and live healthy life. So next thing you see is this Jaisalmer wala picture, and here you can also see this Jaisalmer pictures. So for travel 2020-22, I want to visit two places. One Jaisalmer, which is this, and another one is Goa. I want to visit Goa badly. Like I am 20 and I haven't visited Goa yet. I really want to visit Goa. Hope so in 2020-22 I can visit Goa. So yes, that's two places I want to visit in 2020-22. So next goal for this year is I want to read more books. This year I read maybe four or five books, but in this year, in 2020-22, I want to read 12 books. 1 month, 1 book. 1 month, 1 book. That's the goal for me. Let's see if I can, even I can read 10 to 11 books, it's okay, but I want to read more and more books because books had changed my life to next level. Is this work space wala area? आई एम अ पर्सन जिसको ना बहुत ही एस्थेटिकली सब चीज़ें अगर पढ़ी हो ना तो मेरा माइंड अच्छे से क्रिएटिव चलता है. इफ़ एवरीथिंग इज़ इन मैस एंड सो मैं ना ऐसे सारी चीज़ें एस्थेटिकली प्लेस करना चाहती हूँ. मैं बहुत सारा इस साल काम करना चाहती हूँ. एंड देन कम्स यूट्यूब एंड यूट्यूब का प्ले बटन. सो दिस ईयर आई जस्ट want to work so hard that I can at least hit 100k subscribers and get this play button. I know it's a long journey, but I want to like just work for it, and I want this play button. So this is my YouTube setup for like makeup and all, and this is also a YouTube setup. I have like worst YouTube setup right now, so I want to work that much that I can afford this type of YouTube setup. So yes, uh, great things never come from a comfort zone. I know this thing, I felt this thing, and I literally focus on this thing because कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जब भी मैं निकली हूँ तब आई हैव सीन रिजल्ट्स इन रियली रियली गुड वे. सो दिस थॉट शुड बी देयर in front of my eyes every time. So next thing comes, if not now, when? If not now, when? I am such a आलसी person, I am such a lazy person. ठीक है ना, कल संडे कल कर लेते हैं. No, now. कुछ भी हो कि वो चीज़ें ना मुझे कल पे नहीं टालनी है. For that I have this year I want to work with this two brand. I know this Nykaa is such a big brand and this watch brand also is such a big, but I really want to work with them, so I want to work so hard and work with them. That's great thing. Then comes this picture and this picture. This is picture of CN Tower, Canada. I really don't want to discuss much about this. Let's see if it's happening this year or not. I don't know, but just it is there in my vision board. I really don't want to discuss more about that. It will happen, then yes, I will surely discuss about that. But if not, then maybe next year, maybe next to next year, but I don't know. So next thing is this. It says career, so I can focus on my career really really well, because this is the age where 18 to 25 is the age where you can make your career or break your career. I want to make my career, so ये चीज़ ना मेरे हमेशा ऐसे दिमाग के सामने रहे, इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे रखी है. Then it comes a beautiful eye makeup and face makeup. I want to learn this type of beautiful eye makeups and face makeups and everything, makeup. But I want to learn new makeup techniques, new makeup thing. So yes. And then comes this driving baby. So I know driving. I drive, but I want to like have a solo trips alone, driving me, my car, and just me time. So this is that. Last it says, I will be the best version of myself. Whatever I am doing, anything from this thing, I want to be best version of myself. Because if I am doing makeup, I want to be the best. I want to give my best to makeup. If I am doing YouTube setup, then I want to give my best. If I am traveling, I want to give my best. If I am reading book, I want to give my best. If I am doing exercise every day, I want to give my best than yesterday. जो भी कल किया हो उससे मुझे बेस्ट करना है. दिस इज मी वर्सेस मी बोर्ड फॉर 2022. आई रियली होप कि मैं इसमें से एटलीस्ट 90% गोल अचीव कर पाऊँ, और मैं उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करूँगी. आई विल बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. As I kept that thought over there, I want to be the best version of myself in everything I do. So yes, and please do let me know कि आप लोगों ने कोई ऐसा विजन बोर्ड बनाया है या नहीं, या पिछले साल बनाया था, या वो विजन बोर्ड आपके लिए वर्क करा था नहीं. बिकॉज मेरे लिए शायद ये चीज़ वर्क करेगी, बिकॉज अगर वो चीज़ सामने पड़ी हो ना तो मुझे वो करना ही है, मतलब करना ही है. आई एम दैट पर्सन. अगर वो मुझे सामने नहीं दिख रही है, देन आई विल बी द लेजीएस्ट पर्सन. फॉर दिस वीडियो आई रियली होप यू एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू हैव एनी गोल, you can please leave your goals in the comment section below. I would love to read that. Maybe I get some of the inspiration from your goals too. So yes, I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Happy new year to you and your loved ones.